I think there's no doubt that we're in an economic recovery. We saw certainly good growth in both the third and fourth quarters of 2009. I think that will continue into 2010. However, it's probably going to be an economic recovery that basically is half-baked, but to some extent is going to grow. The growth is going to be about half the normal growth rate that we see in a typical economic recovery if you look back in the last 50 years. But with all the government fiscal stimulus, I would not be surprised, and no one should be surprised, that this is a real economic recovery in progress. I think the Federal Reserve is going to be watching the unemployment rate for guidance on when to raise rates. I think over the near term, I think this year probably the Fed doesn't do anything. I think that they'll be watching to see sharp reductions in the unemployment rate before they start raising interest rates gradually. They will be, in fact, positioning themselves to take some of the liquidity off financial markets, but that's not going to be the same as raising short-term rates. Reducing liquidity will be the first step. That's something that will happen this year, but interest rate increases probably are off the table for 2010.